Today, we're diving into a tiny but mighty superfood that's taking the culinary world by storm. Chia seeds. Packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, these little seeds can elevate just about any dish. If you're looking for delicious ways to incorporate more chia seeds into your diet, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we explore 20 scrumptious recipes that will make you a chia seed fanatic. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a tasty tip. Let's get started with our chia seed recipes. Chia water. Staying hydrated is crucial, but why not take your water game up a notch? All you need is water, chia seeds, and a squeeze of lemon. Mix it up, let it sit for a few minutes, and enjoy a refreshing drink that helps you feel full longer and can even aid in weight loss. Overnight oats. If you haven't jumped on the overnight oats bandwagon yet, now's the perfect time. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your oats for an extra boost of protein and healthy fats. It's a delicious make-ahead breakfast that's perfect for busy mornings. Chia seed jam. Transform your artificial jam with homemade chia seed jam. Combine your favorite fruits like strawberries or blackberries with chia seeds for a nutrient-packed spread that's bursting with flavor. Gluten-free chia seed pasta. Yes, you can make pasta with chia seeds. This gluten-free recipe is perfect for those looking to enjoy a healthy, homemade pasta without compromising on taste. Chia seed pancakes. Start your day right with chia seed pancakes. They're fluffy, nutritious, and packed with energy-boosting ingredients to fuel your morning. Chia lemonade. Chia water too plain? Try chia lemonade. Mix water, lemon juice, a bit of sugar, avoid it if you are diabetic, and chia seeds for a refreshing and healthful summer drink. Chia sushi. Believe it or not, you can add chia seeds to your sushi. Use them as a topping or mix them into the rice for an added crunch and a dose of omega-3s. Chia ice cream. Your favorite dessert just got a health upgrade. Sprinkle chia seeds over your ice cream for added texture and nutrients. You can even make chia-infused green tea ice cream for a unique treat. Chia gravy. Impress your family at Thanksgiving with chia seed gravy. It's a delicious and healthier twist on a classic, offering benefits like improved blood sugar levels and stronger bones. Chia tea. Enhance your favorite tea by adding chia seeds. Whether you prefer green, black, or herbal tea, chia seeds can add a nutritional boost to your daily cup. Chia bagels. Combine chia seeds and sunflower seeds to make hearty, health-boosting bagels. They're perfect for breakfast or a midday snack. Chia pizza base. Make pizza night healthier with a chia seed pizza base. It's easy to make, and your family won't even notice the nutritious upgrade. Chia crusted chicken. Take your chicken to the next level with a crispy chia seed coating. It's crunchy, flavorful, and packed with health benefits. Chia salad dressing. Mix chia seeds into your favorite salad dressing for an extra burst of nutrition. This superfood vinaigrette is as tasty as it is good for you. Chia stir fry. Add chia seeds to your favorite stir fry recipe for a simple, healthy dinner option. They blend perfectly with veggies and other ingredients. Chia crackers. Make your own chia seed crackers for a healthy snack. They're perfect for charcuterie boards or just as a midday treat. Chia breakfast bars. These vegan, gluten-free, and paleo-friendly chia breakfast bars are a perfect grab-and-go snack for busy mornings. Chia tortillas. Upgrade your taco night with chia seed tortillas. They're high in antioxidants and fiber, and everyone in the family will love them. Chia smoothies. Boost your smoothies with chia seeds. Blend them with your favorite fruits, yogurt, and a bit of honey for a creamy, nutritious drink. Chia pudding. Last but not least, chia pudding is a classic for a reason. It's simple, delicious, and requires just a few ingredients. Perfect for a quick, healthy snack. And there you have it, 20 delicious ways to eat more chia seeds. We hope these ideas inspire you to get creative in the kitchen. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and comment below which recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy cooking!